Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on first posts and stories from profile you follow on the application of Instagram. To know how to turn on first posts and stories from profile you follow, you should just go to Instagram here and you will click. After that, in this page, you will go to this window and you will enter here. Then you should to go to above here in this window and you will click. After that, you will go to settings. When you will see this list, you will click notifications. Then here you will enter to post stories and comments. And after that, in this list, you will go to this sign, you will click. When this sign change the blue color, then you can know how to turn on first posts and stories from profile you follow. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.